Domestic wiring. The process of power production, transmission, and consumption can be summarized as follows. So, electrical power is produced at power stations. Then transmitted over long distance. Then finally to consumers, whose rate of consumption depend on the size. So as stated earlier, at the power stations, electrical power is applied or produced at 11 kilovolts. It is transmitted over long distances through a step-up to about 132 kilovolts. After the transmission over long distances, it is stepped down to about 11 kilovolts again, and then stepped down further for consumption. In this process, we note that from production to consumption, power is stepped down from 11 kilovolts to about 240 volts. 240 volts is the voltage favorable or convenient for domestic consumption. This is because most domestic appliances operate at the same voltage. Components of consumer fuse box. Now, in this case, we note that from a step-down transformer, power is brought to the house through a two-wire cable. One is earthed at the transformer. The earthed one is called neutral cable, and it is at zero potential, while the other one is live. The cable goes through the electrical company fuse box, where the live wire is connected to a 60 amps or higher fuse value. The cable is connected to the power meter, where energy consumed is registered. So we have a series of wires here that helps in transferring power from the transformer and to the house in sockets where they can be used directly by electrical components or appliances. So we say that the wire from the transformer has two components: live wire and the neutral wire. Live wire is at a higher potential, while neutral wire is at zero potential. The wire passes through a company's power meter, where energy consumed is registered. So the wire has to pass through a power meter and the function of a power meter is to register energy consumed. The consumer fuse box has the following components: the main switch, this disconnects both the live and neutral wires simultaneously. And therefore, it can be used to disconnect all the circuits in the house when necessary. We also have the live bus bar, which is made of brass and is connected to the live wire. The live bus bar is connected to a live wire via a fuse. Now we also have neutral bus bar. All the neutral wires of such circuits are connected to neutral bus bar. And then we also have the earth terminal, which may be a bus bar or part of the fuse box. It connects the circuit to the earth. Either through water piping or through a thick copper